Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making something a bit fun and a bit different. So today's DIY kind of capitalizes on the quarantine trend of sourdough, and we are going to be making an awesome sourdough body cream. Sourdough is a type of fermentation, and if you are familiar with Japanese or Korean skincare products, you will know that fermented ingredients are quite popular and can be amazingly beneficial for the skin. And so using a bit of sourdough starter in our product is a fantastic way to get some of that fermented skincare goodness in a really accessible way. So I'd like to introduce you to my sourdough starter, Jacinda. Yes, she is named after the Prime Minister of New Zealand because I think both my Jacinda and the original Jacinda make and do some pretty cool things. So I adopted/grew Jacinda from a starter that was a gift from a friend last year, me and millions of other people in our sourdough starters. And I've made a lot of really delicious sourdough bread with Jacinda and thought, hey man, what else can I make with Jacinda? What else can Jacinda and I ferment up? And so, of course, as a formulator, got to thinking, and yeah, sourdough body cream. In addition to being a fermented product, this sourdough body cream is also vegan and has an absolutely fantastic scent without any added fragrances or essential oils. It's also made entirely out of edible food-grade ingredients, which I think is really neat. Now, it is quite a thick product, so you will want to be putting it in a wide mouth jar. This isn't going to work well in a pump top bottle. And so here it is. I mean, I called it a cream, but really maybe a body butter bar or a lotion bar would have also made sense. So yeah, this is it. Also works quite well for nourishing the appetite in addition to the skin. So sourdough body lotion. Let's get started. April Fools. Definitely overbaked this particular batch of sourdough body cream.